Hello everyone, in this video we will see the different operations performed on pointers. First one is we can assign a pointer to a variable of type pointer. That is, we can assign the address stored in pointer variable into another pointer variable. That means two different pointer variables can hold the same address. To understand easily, we will take one example. So here first we have declared one integer variable, that is variable a, and we have assigned value 10 to variable a. So variable a will hold the value 10. Next we have declared two pointer variables, that is p1 and p2, and in this line we have just declared two pointer variables and haven't initialized any address to those variables. In next line we have initialized pointer variable p1 by the address of variable a, that is p1 equal to and a. So here p1 will point to the address, or you can say memory location of variable a. Note that p1 will hold the address of variable a, not the value stored in a. The address is decided by computer, that is on which location that particular variable need to be stored. So suppose the address of a is 1004, so p1 will hold the value 1004, that is the address of a. In next line we have initialized pointer variable p2 by the variable p1, that is p2 equal to p1. So if you see, p1 is actually holding the address of variable a, so here also p2 will hold the address of variable a, and p2 also point to the variable a, that is value stored in p1 will be copied to p2. So even p2 will hold the value 1004. So this line, that is p2 equal to p1, is called assigning a pointer to a pointer variable, that is we have assigned one pointer variable to another pointer variable. So if you see, both pointer variables, that is p1 and p2, are holding the address of variable a. Thus two or more pointers can point to the same memory location. The next operation that we can perform on pointer is arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using pointers. We will take one example and we will see how we can perform arithmetic operations on pointers. Here in this program, first line we have declared 6 variables, that is a, b, add, sub, multi and div. A is initialized by 10 and b is initialized by 20. Remaining variables are used to save the result. Next we have declared two pointer variables, that is p1 and p2. Next, we have assigned the address of A to P1. In next line, we have assigned the address of B to P2. In next line, by using pointers, we will perform addition. That is, add equal to star P1 plus star P2. So here, instead of P1, we have used star P1. So P1 gives the address, whereas star P1 gives the value stored on that address. So on that address, the value which is stored is 10. So similarly, star P2 gives the value stored on that address. So on that address, the value which is stored is 20. So now 10 will be added to 20 and the result will be saved in variable add. Similarly, we can perform the remaining operation, that is subtraction, multiplication and division. The third operation is compare one pointer with another pointer. So suppose P1 and P2 are two pointers, then we can compare whether P1 is greater than P2 or P1 is less than P2, or even we can compare whether P1 is equal to P2, and also we can compare whether P1 is not equal to P2. So by using these symbols, we can compare one pointer with another pointer. So these are the three operations that we can perform on pointers.